Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients: tea bags, water, and any sweetener you prefer. Begin by boiling about 4 cups of water. Once it reaches a rolling boil, remove it from the heat. Add 4 to 6 tea bags directly into the hot water. Let them steep for approximately 5 minutes to achieve a rich flavor. After your tea has steeped for 5 minutes, carefully remove all the tea bags. This step is crucial to prevent your iced tea from becoming overly bitter. While the tea is still hot, it's the perfect time to add your sweetener. We recommend starting with about 1/4 cup of sugar or your preferred alternative. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved, ensuring a consistent taste. Now, carefully pour your hot tea mixture into a heat-safe pitcher or a large container. Next, add about 4 cups of cold water to the pitcher. This helps to dilute the concentrated tea and begins the cooling process. Once combined, place the pitcher in the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for at least 2 hours or until it's thoroughly cold and ready to serve over ice. Your delicious homemade iced tea is now ready. Serve it over a generous amount of ice for the ultimate refreshment. Feel free to customize your drink with a slice of lemon, a sprig of fresh mint, or even a splash of fruit juice for an extra twist. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your perfectly brewed iced tea.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.